Hello, Urmila. Hello, Urmila. Hello, Shweta. Hello, Shweta. Do you get my voice?
Hi, yeah, I can hear you.
Where is your demo class, Shweta?
Yes.
Fair enough. So, okay, I think we should not wait anymore. Let's start. So today, as far as Shweta, it's a demo class for you. The other guys have been attending these classes for some time. Okay, so you may attend this class so that you get a fair idea about the classes, the teaching methodology, and all. Right?
Sure, sure.
Definitely. If you have any questions, I will definitely answer. But if it is linked to anything of the previous classes, then maybe I have to dodge it. Okay. Yeah. Right. So now, Today we are discussing something called give me 1 second, please. Today we are discussing something called marginal relief. Okay, what is this marginal relief? Okay, so let's first understand, before we understand this marginal relief, the tax slabs. What are the tax slabs? Okay, the tax slabs are so the tax rates which we have already discussed before for the assessment year 2021 for individuals, for HUF, for association of persons, and for body of individuals is like this, where the total income is less than 2,50,000, there is no tax. From 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs, the rate is 5%. And for income exceeding 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs, it is 20% is the tax bracket. And where the total income exceeds 10 lakhs, it is, we fall under the 30% bracket. Now, having said that, having said that, compute the total liability of a person whose income is 12 lakhs per annum is the simple question. Compute his taxability. Now, let me again give it to you. 0 to 2.5 lakhs, the tax is nil. 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, it is 5%. 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, it is 20%. And 10 lakhs plus it is 30%. So can you calculate the tax rate, tax amount of tax payable? Urmila, you are working it out?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Total is 1,52,500, sir.
1,32,000.
52,500.
Can you explain how did you calculate? Hmm.
Sir, I have done it directly.
Yeah, directly only you tell me.
12 lakh minus 10 lakh, it will be 2 lakh.
Hmm.
2 lakh into 20%, it will be 40,000.
Hmm.
40,000 plus 1,12,500.
That is
1,52,500.
okay. So essentially, how you have calculated is 10 lakhs plus. How much is the income? That is 10 lakhs plus. 10 lakhs plus income I have is 2 lakhs. Above 10 lakhs, I have 2 lakhs income. On that, 30%. That comes to how much? How much? Yeah, Urmila?
Yes, sir. 60,000.
60,000. Right? 60,000 is the income that is above 10 lakhs. And the income that is above 5 lakhs up to 10 lakhs is 5 lakhs. Is 5 lakhs. On 5 lakhs, 20%. How much is that? 1 lakh. Correct? Yes or not, Urmila?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. The income that is above 2.5 lakhs but up to 5 lakhs is 2.5 lakhs. On that, the tax rate is 5%,
12,500.
12,500 total. Totally, how much is the total? 1 lakh 72
500.
500. Is this the answer you said? I don't remember. Is what you said?
Did it in 1,52,000. I've taken it as 20% for that purpose. It was a mistake.
Right. So 1 lakh 72,500 is the tax payable. Right, we have done this before, we know the calculations. 1,72,500 is the tax payable. To this we also add the cess part, 3% we add. Anyways, that is one part, that is a different thing. Now, so this continues like this, whether it is 12 lakhs, 24 lakhs or whatever. But what we have to learn today is that there are certain provisions related to my browser just got closed. Just give me a minute. There are certain provisions related to surcharge. There is something called surcharge. Okay, what is this surcharge? Urmila, can you read it for me? Under marginal relief, there is something called surcharge. Can you read it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
The rates of surcharge applicable for accounting year 2021 are as follows.
Hmm.
In any individual HGF, AOP, BOI, artificial judicial person where the total income increases 50 lakh but less than or equal to 1 crore, surcharge is payable at the rate of 10% of income tax computed.
Right. So there is a surcharge. So surcharge has been put for those people who earn a lot of money, like 50 lakhs. Okay, 50 lakhs per annum, they are earning more than 50 lakhs. If they are earning more than 50 lakhs, then along with the regular taxes, they are supposed to pay a tax, a surcharge of 10% on their total income. Does it make sense? Is this understandable? Right, guys? Any issue here, Urmila? Right. Now, so that means what is this surcharge? The surcharge is you will calculate the tax, and on that tax, again, you have to pay 10%. Like generally, we buy some item for 100 rupees, we get 10% discount. Okay, so it's not like that. If the 100 rupees item, then add another 10%, that is surcharge. That means you have to pay tax on that again and another 10%, and you have to pay. That is the law, that is the rule related to surcharges. Is that understood? Is that understood? Right? Does it make sense? Right. So let us do one exercise. Okay. Let us do one exercise now. Let us compute the income of a person whose income is this. I hope you are able to see. Compute the tax liability of Mr. A, 42 years age, having total income of 51 lakh for the assessment year 2021. Assume that his income consists of salary, house property, interest on fixed deposit. Ignore the cess. Okay, cess we talked about 3%, that is different. You ignore that. His income is 51 lakhs. Can you calculate? Shweta, I think you can also calculate this, since I have already told you how to calculate tax. Urmila, when you're done, please tell me. Urmila, I think you can tell.
So 13,42,500.
Can you help me calculate? Income is
51 lakh.
51 lakh, sorry, 51 lakh. So above 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs plus income he has how much? 41 lakh. 41 lakh, how much is the tax?
8%.
That is how much?
Yes.
That's how much? Hmm.
12,30,000.
12 lakh 30,000. Tax on 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. How much? That is 5 lakhs. The slab is 5 to 10. So the income that falls between this is 5 lakhs. On that, how much is the tax? 1 lakh. 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs. That is 2.5 lakhs. On that,
Yes.
5%.
12,500.
Total. 13 lakh 42,500 is the tax. The guy who is having 51 lakh income should pay 13 lakh 42,000 as income tax. Is that it, or did I miss anything here?
No, sir, correct.
Or I missed something? What did I miss?
Surcharge
Add the surcharge.
at 10%. 13,425.
Sorry, come again.
1 minute, sir.
Now the surcharge.
1,34,000.
Surcharge of 10%. 1,34,250. Total it. Total this. Go ahead. What's the total?
3,76,750.
14 lakh 76,750. Done or not?
Yes.
Is it very difficult?
Yes.
No. Now I have a question. This is whose income? This is income of Mr. A. Now let us assume Mrs. Urmila. Urmila is there. Urmila's income is not 51 lakh, but her income is 50 lakhs. Can you tell me how much is the tax payable by Urmila? Can you calculate? Shweta, I believe you followed the above steps. Yeah. Can you tell me how much is Urmila's income tax liability? Sorry, I didn't get your voice if you're talking to me. Very low, very feeble, very low. It's as if from a pipe. As if you're speaking from a pipe. Very low. It's okay. Go ahead. That is uh, on 40 lakhs, 30%. That is 12 lakh. And the remaining 12,500. Total 12,500, right? Do you have to add surcharge? No, no, I don't think so.
It is 50 and 50 above, right?
Above 50.
Okay, above 50. Okay.
Okay, above 50. Above 50 only surcharge. Here no surcharge.
Okay. Okay.
So there are two people, A and Urmila. A has 51 lakh income. The tax liability we just calculated 14 lakh 76 250. Urmila 50 lakhs, 12 lakh, 13 lakh 12,500. Is this fair? Is this fair, Urmila? It seems you earn 50 lakhs, they will ask you to pay 13 lakhs, 12,500. I earn 51 lakhs, they ask me to pay 14 lakhs 76 250. My income difference is 1 lakh. My tax difference is, how much is my tax difference? How much is my tax difference?
1,63,750.
1,63,750. What, I earn 1 lakh more income, you charge me 1,63,750. How is this fair? Are you getting it, guys?
Yes.
Right? Welcome to marginal relief. Okay, Government of India recognizes this. Income tax department recognizes this. So such possibility is there where your income crossed by 1 lakh, but your tax liability crossed by 1,63,750. You should be given some relief. This relief must be given. Are you getting it or not? So how much relief they will give? Difference in taxes. Okay, minus difference in income. How much is that? Sorry, who should get relief? Who should get some benefit here?
Okay.
A should get some benefit. So how much is the benefit he should get? Okay, so that is difference in income minus difference in taxes. That is how much? 64,250. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Did we calculate somewhere wrong? Yeah, so this is not
Yeah.
60, this is 64. This is 64,750. The income is 1 lakh. So 64,750 is a marginal relief for given for SSE. So what is his total tax liability? 14,76,250. Give him a benefit of for 64,750. Reduce it. So how much is supposed to pay? 14 lakh minus it. 14 lakh 76,250 minus 64,750. How much is that?
Like 11,500.
14 lakh 11,500 is the tax liability he is supposed to pay. 14 lakh 12,000, I think. Is it 12,000? 14 lakh 12,000, is it? I calculated wrong or they calculated wrong? They calculated it wrong. Yeah, you're right. So how much is that? No, our calculation is wrong. 14 lakh 12,000. 14 lakh 12,000. Fine. This is 250. This is 750. I put it wrong. 14 lakh 12,500 is what they are supposed to pay. Is that understood? Is that understood? Any questions there? Urmila, any questions? Any questions? Yeah, Shweta.
No, not so far.
Right. So this is called marginal relief. Marginal relief comes into picture where there is surcharge. So whenever a person's income exceeds by a marginal amount above where surcharge is not applicable, from here surcharge is applicable. Okay, then in that case, they will calculate income on the limit from which limit there is no surcharge. They will calculate on that and they will find the difference, and that they will give as a reduction in the tax. Give me 1 second. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Right. Now let us read and let us go through some more provisions here. The law related to marginal relief does not end here. The surcharge also does not end here. There is more surcharge provisions are there. Now go ahead. What is the surcharge provision? Where the total income exceeds 1 crore but does not exceed 2 crore, the surcharge is how much? It is 15%.
Mm.
Surcharge rate they changed for even more people who are earning even more. Those who are earning more than 1 crore and earning between 1 crore to 2 crore, the surcharge is 15%. Similarly, the people who are earning 2 crores to 5 crores, it is 25%. And the people who are earning more than 5 crore, it is 37% of surcharge is what they are saying. Does make sense? This is the law. Now, I'm giving you one more question so that you guys can solve what is the income tax liability of a person who earns 1 crore 1 lakh rupees. Compute the tax liability of B having total income of 1 crore 1 lakh for the assessment year 2021. Can you go ahead and calculate and give me the numbers with surcharge and with marginal relief? Now that you got the logic of marginal relief, try it out. Yes, Urmila. Yes, Shweta. Okay, this guy is Mr. B. What's the tax liability of Mr. B? Yeah, yeah, Urmila.
Hmm?
Yeah, what is the tax liability of B?
So 28 lakh 42,500.
28 lakh 42,500. How? Can you quickly tell me how?
So 1 crore 1 lakh minus 10 lakh.
1 crore 1 lakh minus 10 lakhs. Okay.
So 91 lakh.
91 lakh. On that,
1 lakh 12,500.
1 lakh 12,500. On that 30%. On that 30%. That's how much? 27 lakh 30,000. Correct?
28 lakh 42,500, sir.
No, total tax.
Yes,
Total
sir.
tax is 28 lakh 42 500.
And
On this, would you add surcharge?
15%.
So how much is that?
42,635.
42,000
No, sir. 4 lakh 26,375.
lakh 20
6,375.
375.
5.
Okay, so total liability
32 lakh
32 lakh
68,875.
875 is he is supposed to pay. So how much marginal relief he should get?
1 lakh.
No, it's not like that. So you will take a some person who is having Mr. X, who is having income of 1 crore. A person who is having 1 crore income, how much tax he should pay? Calculate. A person having 1 crore, because 15% is the surcharge applicable for people who are crossing 1 crore. So who is exactly at 1 crore, or how much tax he would pay, you should calculate. The question is about B, but we will also compute for a person who is having 1 crore income. So how much tax he has to pay? He has to pay. A person who is having 1 crore income, how much tax he has to pay?
28 lakh 12,500.
28 lakh 12,500. Whether he has to pay any surcharge?
No, sir.
Yes, he has to.
For 10%.
So that is
22 lakh 81,250.
total it.
It will be
30
30 lakh 93,750.
93,750. So difference in taxes, difference in income. This guy was having 1.01 crore. That means 1 crore, 1 lakh. This guy is having 1 crore income. Difference in income is 1 crore. Sorry, 1 lakh. Difference in taxes is?
1 lakh 75,125.
So you will give a,
75,125 as relief.
that is the relief. Understood?
Yes, sir.
75,125 is the relief. Right, Shweta?
Yeah, got it, sir.
Right. As simple as that. Marginal relief is the most simplest topic if you understand the logic behind it.
Yes, we have to take one more extra, sir.
Sorry,
Like we did for this one.
that's the easy way. That is if your approach is like that, you can easily calculate.
Yeah,
Other, I will ask you to read all these things. You will be completely lost. Sir, what is this? See, marginal relief is available in case of such persons having total income exceeding 1 crore. The total amount of income tax payable together with surcharge should not exceed the amount of income tax and surcharge on the total income of 1 crore by more than the amount of the income that exceeds 1 crore. One sentence, 4 lines. Okay, there's no stop anywhere in between. Okay, students may get scared reading this, but there is nothing. They have told you what I explained you here. The gist of that, what they are saying is this. Understood? Right, Urmila?
yes, sir.
Right. So this
Yes, sir.
is about your marginal relief. So I'm giving you homework. Okay. Now that I told you that these are the surcharges that are applicable. Okay. Where is this? Here. So 1 crore to 2 crores, 2 crores to 5 crores, 5 crores to 5 crores or above. Okay. Similarly, for domestic companies, okay, so homework you will do. I will tell you what problems you are supposed to do. Okay. Compute for C. For C who is having 2 crore 1 lakh. Okay. And for D who is having 5 crore 1 lakh. What will be the relief? Same steps you have to follow. Okay, and easily you can get the answer. Right? Right? If you want the steps, if you want to note down the steps, sir, in exam I can't write it like this. I can't solve it like this. Very simple, don't worry. Step 1, compute tax on actual income with surcharge. Compute tax on the on the amount of income on which surcharge is not applicable. That means compute tax on the limit amount. On the limit amount. What is the limit amount? Like for example, if it crosses 50 lakhs, then the surcharge is 10%. So the limit amount is 50 lakhs. So compute tax on 50 lakhs. Third step. Compute the difference in incomes. Sorry, difference in taxes. Difference in tax. Fourth step. Compute the difference in incomes. So fifth step, difference in income minus difference in taxes is your, sorry, difference in taxes minus difference in income. 3 minus 4 is your marginal relief. This is your marginal relief. This you get as a discount from the total tax that you have computed. Are you getting it? Right, Urmila?
Yes, sir.
Right. These things you put it, there ends the matter. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now, you will do the homework for me and post it in the group. Will you?
I have to go to office, sir. Again, I'll come and I'll do.
After going, you say you will do, but you will not do. But you try. Okay.
Actually, sir, from office till I come to house, it will be 8:30.
I understand. I understand. Yeah, but still, okay. This
Yes,
is your
I'll
game,
try, sir.
your exam. This is your classes. Okay, so you have to somewhere squeeze some time. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
right. This is about your uh, marginal relief. Marginal relief related to individuals and all. The question is related to whether marginal relief is applicable or surcharges are applicable to others also. Yes, domestic companies also surcharge is applicable only if their income crosses 1 crore. Up to 1 crore to 10 crore, the surcharge is 7%. Make sense? Surcharge only if the income crosses 1 crore and up to 10 crore, 1 crore, 7% is the surcharge. Similarly, in CA intermediate, they will not ask related to companies. They will not ask. But this prof, they will not ask you to compute the tax liability of ABC Limited. They will never ask. But marginal relief rule applicable to a company, they will ask. Okay, so there are no problems given on this. Don't worry. But they can ask you on individuals. They will ask you. Okay, for sure they will ask you this time. In case of domestic companies, income greater than 10 crore, the surcharge is 12%. Is that understood? For individuals, AOP, HUF, BOI, there are 4 limits: 50 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 50 lakhs to 1 crore, 1 crore to 2 crore, 2 crore to 5 crore, and 5 crore plus. 4 levels were there. But for domestic companies, there are only 2 levels: 1 crore to 10 crore, 7%, 10 crore about 12%. Only 2 surcharges. Here also marginal relief is applicable. Similarly, foreign companies. Foreign companies up to 1 crore, there is no surcharge. 1 crore to 10 crore, 2% is the surcharge. And foreign companies having greater than 10 crore, 5% is the surcharge. Percentages, you please remember, nothing else is required. Right, guys? Make sense? Right, Shweta? Right, Urmila? Guys, you're getting my voice. Fair enough. Okay. I'm not getting your voice. Okay. So today, in the interest of Monisha, in the interest of Nitya, in the interest of Sai Krishna and all, we'll stop it here. Okay. I think we had almost 45 minutes class. We'll stop it here. Okay. Because today, if I take advanced tax, today my agenda was to take advanced tax also. If I had to take advanced tax, it's a lengthy topic, not lengthy topic, but decent topic. And I don't want others to miss this also, because again, I only have to teach it again. So we will discuss in the group and we'll schedule the class tomorrow, right? That's all for today. Shweta, you have any questions, you can reach me. Yeah. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll sign off then.
Yes, sir.
Take care, guys. Take care, Shweta.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.